Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and I have a quick video for you today. It's going to be a nail video. And I had mentioned in my last video that I was getting excited kind of for the fall colors. And I thought I was going to be doing my next manicure with those summer press-ons that I had showed you in my haul. But I found a set of nails this weekend that are definitely fall. They're the ImPRESS color, but they have a coffin shape and they are a little bit longer than I normally do, but I'm really excited about them. And these are the nails. You can see that they're a little bit longer and they have a little bit of a, you know, sort of a tapered tip. It's still a square tip, but it's tapered. They call this a coffin shape. And the color is sugar and spice. And I just absolutely love this color. So I have not had nails on. Gee, it's at least 2 weeks, if not longer, but it's definitely 2 weeks. My nails have had plenty of time to breathe and to, you know, be without glue and without nails. So they're in excellent shape. I feel very ready to put on another set. So I'm gonna choose the sizes. I'm gonna glue these on. Now these are the ImPRESS, which are pre-glued. However, these ImPRESS color nails, in my experience, do not stay adhered to the nail the way that they do maybe some older versions of the ImPRESS nails. Actually stay really, really well. But these ImPRESS color nails do not stay on in my own experience. So what I have been doing with them is adding a drop of my super glue. This is the dollar store, the original super glue. And so I just add a drop to my natural nail and then I press on this nail. So that's how I'm gonna do these. So I'm just going to get to choosing my sizes and gluing them on. I will bring you down and I will put that to music and probably speed it up. Not probably, I will speed it up. That way you're not sitting there watching me choose every individual nail. But this manicure pretty much will be done in 10 minutes. So it's excellent for a quick manicure when you're getting ready to go somewhere special, or just for your everyday manicure, which is what I use them for. So I'm excited to put on this new set of nails, and I think that the longer length is going to be fun. We'll see how I do with them. Now, if I have a problem, because I do type on a computer for work, and I do a lot of typing on the computer for everything else anyway, if I run into a problem and these are too long, I can just trim them down with my trimmers. So, come on down, we'll get these nails on.
You said that you needed me, like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth. Even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken. emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leaving this mark?
All right, guys, they are done, and I absolutely love this color. This color is so pretty. It's a beautiful fall color, but I think it's just a beautiful color in general. I really, really love this kind of brick color, I guess I would say. It's, you know, it's called Sugar and Spice, but it's that reddish brown. I've always really, really loved this color. Now, I underestimated the length. I thought that the length was going to be okay, but they were just too long. I knew I wasn't going to be able to do anything with them. So I did trim them down, but I didn't want to take away from the length. Unfortunately, they don't look like a coffin nail anymore. They just look like a square nail, which is my favorite shape anyway. So it ended up being fine. And I absolutely, absolutely love them. You know, it's been a while since I've had color and nails on my hands, so I'm happy to see them again. And I just really think that it looks finished, it looks polished, it looks classy, it just looks beautiful. And these, if I didn't have to trim them down, it would have been 10 minutes. It ended up taking me about 15-20 minutes because I trimmed them down. These nails, as I say every single time, these ImPRESS and the Kiss nails are so easy to file. You just file straight across a couple times and go on the corners just real easily, and they turn out perfect. So, you know, less than 20 minutes, less than $10, you have a beautiful new manicure. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I hope that you have gotten some inspiration to do your own DIY manicure with these great nails. And I will always link below my glue and my trimmers, which I got from Amazon. They're very inexpensive and they work really, really well on these nails. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me. Thanks for coming along. If you're new here, welcome. I hope that you'll consider subscribing and coming back for more nail videos, more home decor videos, more DIYs to create your best life. So thanks again, guys. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye for now.